Have you ever stood in your kitchen, tired and hungry, staring at a pork tenderloin and thinking, "There's no way I can make this quick"? Well, what if I told you this juicy, flavorful grilled pork tenderloin comes together in under 30 minutes and tastes like it came from a restaurant? Yes, shockingly easy, unbelievably delicious, and perfect for a quick weeknight meal. We're serving it with a refreshing tomato and avocado salad, a smoky garlic lime sauce that's creamy and bold, a maple spice pecan crunch for a satisfying bite, and a chilled pineapple ginger drink that will make you forget how tired you are. So stay with me, and don't forget to subscribe and share, because this meal is about to become your go-to. Start with your pork tenderloin, just over a pound. Pat it dry and remove the silver skin if it hasn't already been trimmed. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, a generous pinch of salt, and a good grind of black pepper. Rub this all over the pork. Let it sit while we get everything else ready. This dry marinade needs only 10 minutes to work its magic. Now for that warm garlic lime cream sauce that ties everything together. In a small saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add 2 finely minced garlic cloves and let them sizzle gently, just until they turn golden, and fill the kitchen with that buttery, garlicky aroma. Don't rush this, it's the foundation of flavor. Once the garlic is fragrant and lightly golden, pour in half a cup of heavy cream, followed by a tablespoon of fresh lime juice and a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Stir everything together and let it simmer on low for about 3 to 5 minutes, until the sauce thickens slightly. It should coat the back of a spoon, feel silky and luxurious, and take on a pale ivory color with a whisper of peach from the paprika. Give it a tiny pinch of salt, a dash of cayenne if you want a little kick, and a final stir. This sauce is rich, tangy, smoky, and creamy, and it clings to the pork like it was made for it. Time to heat your grill pan or cast iron skillet until it's smoking hot. Add a drizzle of oil, then gently place the pork tenderloin down. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until you get those deep golden brown grill marks. Then lower the heat slightly and cover the pan with a lid or foil. Let it cook for another 10 to 12 minutes, turning once, until the center reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit and is still juicy. Take it off the heat and let it rest. Always let it rest. While that's happening, make your tomato and avocado salad. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of half cherry tomatoes, 1 ripe avocado chopped into chunks, a few slices of red onion, crumbled feta, and a small handful of chopped fresh cilantro. Drizzle with olive oil and a squeeze of lime juice. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Toss gently so you don't mash the avocado. It's vibrant, juicy, creamy, and fresh. All the textures that play so well against smoky pork. Now let's make something to crunch on. In a small skillet over medium-low heat, add half a cup of chopped pecans, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Stir until the nuts are sticky, toasted, and fragrant. Let them cool on a plate. They'll harden into the most addictive, sweet, spicy topping. Scatter a few over the salad, or just nibble as a pre-dinner snack. And what's dinner without a homemade drink? In a jar or pitcher, combine half a cup of pineapple juice, a splash of fresh lime juice, and a tiny grating of fresh ginger. Add cold water or sparkling water to taste, then ice. Stir and serve. It's zingy, bright, and the perfect contrast to everything on the plate. Now slice your rested pork tenderloin into thick, juicy medallions. Plate it beside a generous scoop of that tomato avocado salad, a swirl of the smoky garlic lime sauce, and a cold glass of that pineapple ginger drink. Add a few spiced pecans on the side if you like a little sweet crunch with dinner. And there you have it. Grilled pork tenderloin made shockingly simple, paired with flavors that sing and textures that keep it exciting. Perfect for any weeknight, but impressive enough to serve guests. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a quick dinner win tonight. And let me know in the comments what you'd pair with this pork next time, because your ideas always inspire me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next fun food story.